Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys split screen setting. How to use split screen in oppo mobile. Friends, you want to on split screen setting in your oppo phone device. So how to turn on split screen one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click here oppo mobile conventions tool setting. After when tool setting, system navigation setting, you can use from here gesture setting, screenshot, screen recording, resistive well setting, quick return bubble setting, smart sidebar setting, split screen here. Click here. Friends, you want to use split screen with three finger, so guys on it. After on friends, on your swipe up with three finger to enable split screen setting. After turn on friends, on your any app. Example friends, I will on Google app, and guys now I will connect Wi-Fi network. After friends Google app, use your three finger swipe here. And guys second friends, you want to use one more app with Google app, select your app and you can use two screen on your device. Friends, you can see Google app we can use, and friends you want to use YouTube app, so you can on YouTube app and you can use it. So like that friends, we can use two apps in oppo mobile. Dual app setting friends, we can use it. Oh yes friends, dual screen, sorry friends, not dual app, dual screen we can use it. And friends, you want to use full screen and you want to adjust the screen, so you can adjust. And if you swipe, so you can use YouTube app screen, again use your three finger. Friends, you want to use Chrome app, you want to use file app, so open file app with YouTube app. Friends, you can use your oppo mobile file app. So like that friends, we can on dual screen setting and we can use in oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, so you can remove this app. And friends, you want to add one more app, so you can add from here. And you want to use full screen, you can use full screen. And friends, open your phone setting, tool setting friends, split screen setting, turn off. After turn off friends, you can on YouTube app. And friends, you cannot use dual screen in your device with three finger. Friends, you want to use, you will have to turn on split screen setting, then friends you can use split screen in your oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.